this is RC back again, and today I'm going to take you to a food journey of Jakarta, Indonesia, and we are going to watch some street food which is relished by the people here. So follow me.
Jakarta, the city which is known for its culinary experience, people come specially here to enjoy different kinds of food. This shop is famous for ole ole. Ole ole means when you go to another city, then you are supposed to bring some gifts or food items for your friends and family. So this shop you can see so many chips, then dried fruits, syrup fruits and dodol and other items. This one is dried banana. These are the roadside food stalls. They are selling fried dumplings, tahu, tempeh, boiled noodles. This is the stall put up by Pizza Hut and they are selling 4 pan pizzas for 100,000. That is equivalent to 10 Sing dollars. You can even find mobile coffee and tea shop here. Like people carry hot water on the cycle and you can select the sachet which tea or coffee would you like to drink and they can immediately prepare it for you. People even call it bicycle Starbucks and you just get a cup of coffee just for 50 cents. This is the satay stall. This person is making chicken satay. He has put minced meat on the satay sticks and he is grilling it right now, and after the grilling is done he is going to dip it in the peanut sauce, and peanut sauce they make with chili, jaggery, tamarind, and it's really relished by the people here. Night food stalls are also very popular here. They sell all kind of food stuff. This one is the seafood stall. It's selling mussels and boiled crabs. So you can see how well it looks. I asked the seller few questions about it.
Di dalam ada apa?
Sama ini tuh.
Oh sama. Dan di sana?
It was cooked with turmeric, chilies and garlic.
Ini juga seafood.
Ya, seafood.
This is a night stall selling sausages. They are selling meat sausages like chicken, mutton, beef, fish and also mushrooms and potato. The price varies from 2000 rupiah to 10,000 rupiah depending upon the size, and you just need to select your favorite sausages and give it to the seller and he is going to grill it for you, or if you want you can get it fried. The process is the sausages are first dipped in the butter. One order is ready to be packed. He is pouring chili sauce and cheese sauce on the top of it and it looks very delicious. Now it's dinner time here and I'm looking something vegetarian, and I could see this nasi goreng stall. Nasi goreng means fried rice. So this man is making fried rice, which is a popular dinner here, and first of all he is making an omelette by using an egg. He is adding green chilies, chili paste, red chili paste, some salt and beaten egg, and he is just frying the egg first. So you can see after he has heated the oil, he is adding the egg in the pan. He is making sure that oil is very hot, only then he is going to add the egg. So the egg mixture is poured in the oil and you can see the egg is ready. He's going to turn it after a while. Now it's time to make the nasi goreng, and I customized it. I told him do not add any chicken or any egg in it, and he's going to make specially vegetarian for me. So first of all, he added some green chilies in the oil, followed by some garlic paste, chili paste, some salt. He has chopped some green veggies to add in the oil. So he's giving a stir to the veggies. After a while, he is going to add the boiled rice in it. I ordered 1 serving, so he is adding 1 serving of boiled rice in the spices. For the best taste, it's very important to give it a right stir, and now he just added some soya sauce and MSG, Ajinomoto, very little quantity just to enhance the taste, but the stirring is very important on the very high flame. You can see it's almost ready, but still he is giving it a stir. So stirring is really important to get the right taste. Keep stirring it well. Now you can see the rice is ready, and he has kept a butter paper to pack it. Now he is adding some fresh salad like cucumbers and fried onion on the top to give it a crunch. I requested him to add some more chili paste for me.
Bisa tambah sedikit cabai lagi?
Cabai?
Ya.
Wow, I am sure it's going to be super spicy. See how well he has packed it with just 1 rubber band. Also, my request to him to add double rice crackers. It's time to say thank you to him.
Terima kasih Pak.
Ya,
Ini jam berapa you datang ke sini?
5 nyampe sini.
Oh jam 5
Ya.
sampai jam berapa?
Sampai jam 12.
Oh 12.
Ya,
Ya tiap hari.
siap hari.
Pak siapa namanya?
Nanang.
Pak Anang.
Ya.
Oke. Makasih ya.
Ya, siap.
So this is Pa Anang, and he puts up his nasi goreng stall from 5 in the evening till midnight, and he stands near Sunta. The price is 11,000, just $1 Sing. After getting the rice packed, I am back home now.
I couldn't eat it there because I was wearing mask, but now I'll try and let you know how is it. It's a perfect meal for Indonesians, nasi goreng, which is very famous, fried rice. So I told the person to add extra chilies, so let me try it. I ordered without any meat because I am vegetarian, but if you want you can order it with egg or with chicken, so they can customize and going to make it according to your taste. I ordered with extra chilies, so I am sure it's going to be very spicy. Perfect. You can even scoop some rice in the cracker and eat it. Okay guys, I'm going to enjoy this nasi goreng, which is very pedas. Pedas means spicy. Hope you have liked this video. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.
Bahasa Indonesia words which we have learned today are terima kasih, which means thank you, panas, which means hot, pedas, spicy, Harga, the price. And Sampai Jumpa, that is, see you again. If you have liked this video, then please like and subscribe. Thank you.